Hi, welcome to Shun Serendipity. This time I'd like to introduce USB cable checker 2. And this seems to be made in Japan because it's in the package written in Japanese. And then it also includes the Japanese typical warranty sheet, and then it tells that it will void like if you use it in outside of the Japan. So it's not so good. Anyway, for more information, please check this QR code, and then it shows the how to use the instructions. So this package is written in Japanese. It's not really good for the American, I guess. But anyway, it's in the package like this. So let's check it out, and then basically connect the A connector side to the B connector side, and then it will detect what kind of cable it is. And then LED light would show the detail like this. And then there's a switch like this, and then let's put it, let's connect it on. See, there's a connector side, and then connect to the B connector side. Like this. Oops, that's a wrong one. Oops. So, see, so this cable is really cheap, just a power supply cable. See, only like two lights. And the next one, it's supposed to be a little bit much better cable. That's something I usually use. But this is kind of bad one, I guess. It's supposed to have like a 4 lights, but probably it's broken. So I can tell, it's broken one. So now I know this cable is not really good. So, and then let's see, here's a good one. It has a data on it. So for 5 lights. And then this is something I usually use in my car. See, it shows like power and the data. So this is supposed to be like, usually most of cables supposed to be like this. See, this is another red cable, and then it's light like 4 lights, and then so the other one was broken. So this is another one. This is good. So here's another old cable. It doesn't go with the USB-C, and so this is an old cable, so it's not really USB-C, and then it can detect, and then this is kind of converter to the USB-C cable, and then with converter, well, it's still like has data on it. Here's another cable, red cable. I have lots of red cable like this, and then, so this one is not broken. Well, at least you can tell like if it's broken or not. And then this is the best cable I have, and then it came with the Rode Wireless Pro. See, look at this, like all the lights is on. So you can tell if this cable is like a good one or not, like this. So this is the best cable I have. So here's another junk cable. See, just for the power. So here's another junk cable, like just a power. So there are a lot of like cable for the just for the power. So USB-C to USB-C seem to have like a little bit different like this. So there's a light like came on. So here's an interesting one to see. I usually carry around as a key holder, and then see this one's I usually carry around, and then see it has like a all the bunch of like a USB like a connection like this, and see. So this one has multiple like output. See like this. So basically data and then power, of course, and then it comes out like this, and then you can switch to the USB-C like this. So connect like this. So it's basically same thing. And then if you just connect to the USB-C to USB-C, it would turn on like one extra light like this. So this checker works really well. So if you have a bunch of like cables, and then it really worth getting this USB cable checker too. So anyway, thank you for watching.